We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 6 of Excel. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 6 Who Mortgage. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then here is the name of today's assignment XP Excel chapter 6 Who Mortgage. We just increase its size and change its color, and here is project description. We also increase its size and change its color. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move to the whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? In today's assignment we have 14, 15, then 16, 17, 20, 25 questions we have in today's assignment, and in last word we have to simply save, close and exit Excel, then submit and get the score. So we have just 26 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. So remember that today assignment name is XP22 Excel chapter 6 Who Mortgage. Okay, and here is project description. We will read project description carefully so we can get idea what we have in today project. Okay, so after several years of living with friends after college, you have decided to purchase your first home. After doing some preliminary research on prices, you develop a spreadsheet to calculate your monthly mortgage payment, the total payment amount to repay the loan, and the total amount of interest you will pay. Your total budget for the home is $150,000, including taxes, closing costs, and other miscellaneous fees. So you plan to take $10,000 out of your saving account for down payment. Okay. So you are currently investing a loan interest rate at various bank on credit unit unions. You realize that you may need to find a less expensive home or increase your down payment to reach a monthly payment you can afford. Although a larger down payment will change the monthly payment. You want to be able to see the comparison at the same time. In addition, you want to look at your budget to review the impact of purchasing a new home on your income and expenses. You will use Excel to help create Excel to analyze the variables that affect the mortgage payment, the total amount of repay the loan, and total interest paid to help you to make decision. You will use several what if analysis tool, each with a specific purpose, benefits and restrictions. With these tools, you will have to have a better understand how a mortgage payment will affect your overall budget. So all of these are simply description about the project. Okay, so remember that today project name is Exp22 Excel chapter 6 home mortgage, and it's quite big one. You may already shows that there are 25 questions in graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step after reading project description, and now we are moving to a graded part. So steps to performs instructions. Download and open the file. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Automate grader has automatically added your last name in the beginning of the file name. So first we have to download our file. Sorry, we have already downloaded. We have to open that one. Okay. So first part is done, in which we have to open the file. Now we are moving toward next part. As you complete your mortgage calculation, you would like to use a range name to make formulas easier to understand. Okay, so create a range name. Purchase prices for cell B2. Where is B2? Here is B2, and we have to in the name purchase price. Copy this one, then paste the name. Press enter. Okay. Then in B2, okay, now down payment for cell B3. So we just copy down payment from here, and in cell B3, here is cell B3, and here first we have to select cell B3, then there we have to paste the name. Okay. So question number 2 is done, and we have earned 3 marks from there. In question number 2, what we have done, we just simply create the range name purchase price for cell B2 and a down payment for cell B3. Now moving toward question number 3, you have decided to utilize an alternate method for creating the range name using for remainder of variables. Okay, so create a range name for a range A9 to B13. Where is A9 to B13? Okay, here we have insert a range name using create from selection method. Okay, so for that we have to select both columns, then simply formulas, and here is create from selection, left column, and press OK. So now every cell have its orange name. So question number 3 is done, and we have earned 6 marks from there. So in question number 6, we have to create a name for range A9 to B9 using create from selection method. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You will like to edit previous created names range. To do so, you will use a name manager. Okay. So delete monthly payment name rename. Now we have to delete monthly payment name range. So where's monthly payment rename? So we have to click on name manager, and here is monthly payment rename. Set this one and simply click that one. Okay. Then added a down payment and rename so that it appears a down payment. This one. Okay. We have to mean underscore. Okay, simply press done. Then added purchase price to appear purchase price. Okay, So question number 4 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 4, we have to delete the monthly payment named arrange, then added the down payment named arrange so it appear as a down payment, then added purchase price to appear as purchase underscore price. We have done and we earn 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. You will like to apply the newly created arrange a name to existing formulas in the worksheet. Okay, so apply define a name to existing formulas on home loan worksheet. Once rename applied, it should be appear in cell B12 and B14. Okay, now we have to. There are many formulas applied in this sheet, so we have to apply their rename. Okay, like this. So we have to select B2, then there is B3. Select B3. Now you may see renames or automatically coming. Okay, then there is also formula use. So we shall before this one and we shall be 6. Okay, there we have to also use kids from selection. Okay, now for B4 we have to use this one, then for B6 we have to apply this one, then simply press enter. Then there is also formula use in B5 we have to use this one, for B6 this one. There is B11, where is B9. Here also we have to name the range B11. Where is B11? This one. Where is B12? This one. Where is B13? B9. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to apply the define name to existing formulas on home loan worksheet. Once completed, the name or range should appear in cell B12 and B14, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So question number 5 is done. And now we are moving toward question number 6. You would like to document the name, arrange name, inserting them as a list on a new worksheet. Okay, so create a new worksheet, a name, arrange name. Now we have to create a new worksheet, and the name is orange name. Orange names. Then insert previously created arrange names on a worksheet starting in cell A2. Okay, now we have to insert previous worksheet. This one is the name. Then set the width of column A and B auto fit. So A auto fit, then B auto fit. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to create a new worksheet, a name, a range name, then insert previously created range name on cell on worksheet starting in cell A2, then set the width of column A and B to auto fit, and we have earned 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. As you continue your analysis, you would like to create one variable data table to explore impact of various interest rate on the payment interest rate and total amount OE paid. So to complete the table, you will first create substitution values. Okay. So on home loan worksheet, here, then Beginning in cell D4, enter substitution values 4%. Then 4 to 6%, increasing 0.25%. Okay, now we have to select both cell. Then we have to drag this one up till this one and we get 6%. Okay. So this part is done. Then increment completing the range D12. Yes. And we have earned 5 marks from there. So on question number 7, we have to move toward home loan worksheet. Then beginning in cell D4, entering substitution values from 4%. Okay, after increasing 0.25%, we have to drag that one to D12 and we get 6% there. Okay, you may see here. So question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. To continue the construction of one variable data table, you will add formulas to the table structure. Okay. So add references to the cell contain the monthly payment B12 in cell E3. Then add a reference to cell that contain the total to repay loan F3 to B13. Then add a reference to cell that contains interest rate B14 in cell G3 and we will earn 3 marks from there. So almost half of assignment is done from my side till now. Remember that we are solving Exp22 Excel chapter 6 who mortgage and start. We just discuss project description step by step. After discussing description, then we move toward graded part and we solve question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have one question number 3 after solving question number 3 in which we have to create a range name purchase price for cell B2 and down payment for cell B3. Then we move toward question number 3 where we have to create a range name for cell A9 to B13 using create from a selection method and we have earned 6 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to delete the monthly payment or name arrange, added down payment name arrange so that it appear as down underscore payment. Then added purchase price to appear as purchase underscore price and we have earned 2 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 5 where we have to apply define name to existing formulas on home loan sheet. Once completed, name arrange should appear in cell B12 and B14. Then same way we have solved question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so almost half of assignment is done from our side in today video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description as well as here in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your result will be 100%, price will be reasonable and result will be just like your assignment will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like if you need help regarding mathematics, assignment, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, a final exam. So if you need help regarding other courses, just like if you need help regarding Tableau project, Power BI project, so I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 6 who mortgage. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future.